Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia knows about this. Kennedy Japan knows about this. The NPP hierarchy, Nana Dankwe Kufuor, Gabi Munyina, they know they contracted this company. How can this person go to parliament and make laws? How can we allow such disease of politicians? Nipa fun say. But then you didn't mbaba bechiramu. Yako akutia akwa kweden. Ako toaba. Come out. Well, sa guy we. I a friend no a year in team Fojo. 42 years ground year. Very foolish boy. Politics and I have four. This guy, it we Gina TV so as a member of parliament. I catch a Ghana for say there will be bloodshed. This foolish idiot. Ghana nipa bi diao. Kwasi ampenyiwe or Asin South constituency I will take that seat from this fool. As some will be another kind say there is CEO ayawas ablekuma. Sebio police will be investigations under this fool's government. Omu bonipa wakituo. Jimmy Fo also or suffer my foot. Otimi bien no as a member of parliament or Shamra, or Gina TV so catch the Ghana for say, kwasi always a reverend. I yako akwetiano mwe winia, omube kunipa, omube shiemo jegu. This guy. Kwasi always me bien no kasa asem, yawa him for Ghana. Yawa titiri for Ghana. Yawa suffer penny for Ghana. Omu na ye ding. Na kwasi ampenyi woko akwetiano obi boni trimutua. Who is the cause of that? Or who will be held accountable? Kwasi ampenyi way in team for draw way otumi Gina TV so catch Ghana for say I say yako NPP kwa kwetia na so omo enwinia na omo nyoma nkoyi omo beku nipa there will be bloodshed asama obi na no ekan wo national television or a member of parliament kwasi away 42 years kondi. Besides, get me the video. And these are words that he actually used on national television. And metiano on an anokas I wan kasa. Those were his words. Now, so these kind of people are more chance in our politics. So we are constituent. Now, kwasi we they do so. What's my oncom crying? Enko shemra and obedun crying. Obenwa shawo for no. Ono say there will be bloodshed. As one kind of
send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akutia and future elections. Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akutia and future elections. Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akutia and future elections. Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akutia and future elections. Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akutia.
This guy is in parliament. Asin South for MP no. Kwasin South ko he onya hwe wo ho. Kwasiato wetitin kran. And o catch Ghana for say yakwa akwatia na yekoto aba na say omo NPP wini a omo beku nipa. Na obiti Asin South opensuanom. I will come and show you his constituency. Ochina, I will let my guys get me videos. I want constituency the achiro. Kwasia we. And somebody who says, Kevin, we penny, we many channel, where Jimmy na we Jimmy. Jimmy for we so a sofu. Kwasiato we so a sofu. Jimmy ni way, yad na kotna parliament so onko shemra. Every na no baya, so amu MPP kwasiafo na wini akwetia, yebe kunipa, and one kasakeko, or said there will be bloodshed in subsequent elections. Meaning, enya akwetia nkwa no ma plan so mekunipa. After akotiano, election biya yebe no Ghana biya no, oma maju so mekunipa asha aban no. How can we live like this? How can we allow such fools to be roaming in Ghana just on our street freely? How can we allow that? How can this person go to parliament and make laws? How can we allow such disease of politicians. Nipa fun say. Nipa fun say. Mede na yire ne mbaba bekyeremo. Mede na yire ene ne mma eba bekyeremo. Oten kran. And also yanku nipa wa akwatia. And elections abeba ne yanku nipa because NPP be lose. Because NPP no omunim say enya ade ometime wini akwatia. It is NPP lose nko ade a ono intim for jowe no omu be kunipa. Brofo kan what anamate. What did he say? This is what he said. And you need to listen to this. This is dangerous.
Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akwatia and future elections. Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akwatia and future elections. Send a strong signal that if the president wants to continue his inaction in bringing the perpetrators to book, arresting them, prosecuting them, there's going to be bloodshed in Akwatia and future elections.
We also a suffer. Yes, Reverend Intim Fodio. Minima sorry odi enim. Mo sorry so o ma akwa wogina mo enim mo ye nwan papa. Mo sa asori kro na. Mo ma sa jimi ni we gina mo enim preach nyame asem no. Mo ye nwan. How can such a fool be given the room to even stand, say, or your software or preach you are sorry them? Ye Jimmy. Ye Jimmy. Ye nim nyansa. How can this happen? And yet John Mahama no democratic enough. And yet Ghana na Sebio, do sometime and man kwasiafobi enya tabanya. This guy is supposed to be locked up. He's supposed to be beaten to death. Because in some okay, sa semwe to me gukro. I'm telling you. Because when the guy can't to nipa bitrim. Say NPP and Luzua Yonkunipa. And you see, this is the same thing they did. Ayawaso West Wagon. Omu din kama ya signals. Say Omube Kunipa, Ombe Tuo, and Ombe Tuo so called election 2020. Debiano Omu din kama ya tia said that is what they want to do. Into me on Akwatia elections, no. Wa ube wa kwa we wa Akwatia biano. Be on guard. Or ya king, make sure you protect yourself. If you see this guy in Team Fojo, Ewa Akwatia. So what they are coming to do, they said they want to kill and blame the government. Now the NPP killing machine, they have put them on standby. And that is what they're going to do. And that is the intention. That is the intention. Because candidate or galam say ni ma can profile chamo minyanye ready se meko. Akoya say obey MPP a parliamentary candidate here or babe or galam say ni or sponsor. Made in receipt baba chirechiremo. Enkofo to galan or no sponsor omo. We know what he does. They want to protect their galamse a history. That guy no makofona kwitiano e galamse ni ombeche modjuma oye. E galamse ni oye 100% galamse ni oye sponsor. And I know the sites are or sponsor into which na because obemenya galamse ono netua e mankofo se asase. Sa akwa no say oye MPP candidate. Oye gala sa akwa no Martin nano kasada oye pure galamse boy. On to me troni din. Me say, omo candidate no wakwetiano. Oye 1000% galamse boy. Oye sponsor, unim sponsor. Omo mu shechira, omo yisika, no omo de man kofo so omo koye galamse nse asase. Ne djuma oye no. Sa akwa no moma ne profile mbra no mu chere djuma oye. Onye djuma bi obetumi di ama aban se aban enye den en check no. Aban en audit no onye bi oye galamse. But in team for Jordan at this point, he's an enemy of the state. And I will make sure this fool does not enter parliament again. And as in South of all, this is the time you get somebody intelligent, somebody who has brains, to lead you people. Now, for 42 years, it's very, very important that we look at these things. But MPP for, I'm a candidate no way in Akutiano. Mon can't is on Mekasana Monte or your mum. On to me cabrofo, on to me trolley ding. Ah, Mr. P, Mr. S. Mo akwetia, mati se MPP. Mati se MPP candidate no akasada, wajema akasada. Mo akwetia. Sa kwa champagne na, omo ne namo se on eba be mo candidate no. Mo musa ne se, mati se wajema akasada. Hello, my name is DNDN and I want to do this. And we are wasakraka. twi kasa no kra na se kasa oka no kra po no oka ensisi so adan yenim no Mr. P Mr. S get me the guy's picture NPP candidate no akwatia no me de history ba be kire mo edwuma oye galamsey ni mumutan se edwuma be na oye galamsey sika e na oluko wini primaries no yeah or concession or excavator ebu edwuma de encho bekom o metena shem oye sponsor na adwen say oye sponsor nti oni direct onya direct onka yes thank you very much team onka edwuma no ho enso yenim ye trace no NPP for me say candidate no beji mic metena any radio di TV so no nkasa na muntie matena no kasa da me say matena no kasa da na obi a Pentium 2 mom ne kuta ne nsade ne kasa mu general secretary mum ono Pentium 2 ne ketre mebutu na watam jimi yedi nachi enchime yin ba akwakia te sia ne de FCC no ya say ye be say beja akwakia seat agoda seat wo de den Pentium 2 general secretary no ne ketre mebutu na all introduce candidate oye gala ono so jimi enti so hwe video na anti ekasemo se sia ne se ye ne MCC so ye di eyi na eba na esia no ye be mekisi ose eya we wo ketre mebutu wo be introduce obi amaye JFK wo ketre mebutu wo be introduce obi amaye onie thank you very much team oni akwa we oye galamsey oye 1000% galamsey court bi ope bi onko oye gala me na me ka kire mo onie let me show you na mo de mo yan charge kra mo de MPP apukai ejimi for we ma me kire bibi we akwa we candidate ni oye akwa we what is akasa da candidate ni Pentium 2 na ne ketere bebutu no ono na introduce candidate am say we de oye galamsey ntia nkotoma no akwa we onie MPP for candidate onie na ye jimi nti na wo ti akotia na o kasa wo kwan asɛi uni nsuo MPP atena wo so bibia nkoye na aban na aba no masa akokɔ oban ona ana oni no one na onya abebesre MPP for go parliament obi enya mpunti no constituency me na me ka kyerɛw fact Musa ko tam city makwasi abeyiwa wan on go di nkomo masas na o sa abesɛ no monfama obi a okwa mahama behu no akasa ende gisika we koye kwan ende gisika we ko bi adwuma na sa akwa we akwa ono ne football left ne conscious left Pentium T jimi we na ye introduce na amamu we no mde ko parliament thank you very much team. So I want to show you this. Solomon Asumedu oye gala onie. Now yejina eye MPP for so yi asenso bo achika assembi time and you on break very crucial. Very very crucial. Mumia ko ti asema asenso bo achika.
The greatest of respects, this so much talked about push is neither balanced nor big nor strategic. I say this because I believe strongly that it's just a political program rather than economic efficient program. One, Mr. Speaker, the list of programs of roads is heavily skewed towards certain regions in the country, completely neglecting Greater Accra region and Ashanti region. For me, that is not fair to the country. That is not strategic, because you build roads where there are human beings, a lot of densely populated people, communities. You build roads which will connect economic centers, that will drive economic development and economic fair to the country. That is not strategic, because you build roads where there are human beings, a lot of densely populated people, communities. You build roads which will connect economic centers, that will drive economic development and
economic. Catch them say MPP we Jimmy. Many anoma santifori bi a mo hwe me amudi matem no. Munua ba akuni no akopie nkran. yɛfɛ senso boachi kasa wakagina o parliament a obubu brofo kom human beings bantama no free o kana asem se o ga so di utumfo atam na utumfo so ma me green light na na wagimi bia mentia no ogina parliament o say John Mahama any NDC are buying big push or media aba say Ghana when it comes to road infrastructure any other very important infrastructure ye di sika pudio ekoshem ama ya tinetine ekwan e wo Ghana afanyu bebia because obi atua taxes no sa eye amokua we kogina parliament ye frena senso boachi obi na no a o se adentina John Mahama big push NDC for big push no media aba no omode kokoko nkro foforo so adentina mo famba nkro a nipa wom na sa nkro foforo na omode koso no omo nya nipa omo ye moa asama kwasi ampanyi we asenso boachi gina parliament bie na no kan ye ose adentina big push nkro na John Mahama say obe spread the kwan no Ghana afanya nyina ama ya ye kwan obebia no ose nkan fa kwan ne mbra Kumase nko an nkran na obi a won free Kumase bia ana bebi a di kwan ne be kwa anya Kumase no omunya nipa omunya nkuru a wose ya di Ghana taxpayers money a constructive road momo kwase awe say yen sankoto abama NPP ogina parliament ka human beings Jimmy we why say bontua ogina parliament why say enkwara bontua ni bi case 3 no say bontua no ye wo de eyimu yusu no ba omiamu yusu no omofusu no ene ye wo de Kennedy mu yusu no omotiko ye tra no ene ye wo de omo ye tietia mo omu yusu asenso boachi yusu case 2 why na fusa bontua case 2 abegina ka kire say big push no ya meye kwan no asantememu a bebi abeye kwan ni bi omo ye moa wei and the Union sorry and for 2 million NPP. They don't respect we the people. NPP as a political party, omo MPs, omo communicators, party members, no, omo Ghana for you say moi asantifoka krebi nkwa na enipa. If you say adikudi tem because asantifoka krebi no, oba asantimemu a asantifoka krebi na support NPP, asantifo nyansafo pa no, omo support NPP. But so would say a member of parliament who represent diverse people from different backgrounds. May assure say bantamana odi elections no. Omo mutumana near wa hunafo wum, near wanzima wum, near wa krobo wum, enkran wum, and ya santifon kwane tumi to abamani wini ye. And so we jibinti ojina parliament no, na ajini nyina ne se bantama. Na adwini nyina ne sabantama enti ne kasa oka nyina no se enya santimemu a obi e be kwa ma no Ghana bia no oyekwasea. That is what he was trying to say. Eya dan ye tam to me edema ntwamoa we wedwa intimi njai abowa ubuofu wemuna intimi ntwa so ofui tie akwa wegina parliament ka che Ghana for say an ye meye nye kwan wo bebia na ye ntam Ghana big push skari nyina meye ekwan wa santimemu otwe sankamu bedi power 8 years no sankamu ye kwan na wa santimemu a anka wo de wo kon se bentu aba begina ka kire se ye meye kwan wa santimemu na medwin se mosema ye kwan wa santimemu nyina. The NPP as a political party is a party that is not intelligent enough to lead. Why should we even allow these people? Why should we allow this group of termites to even think of having a dialogue with us or even considering coming back to power? Mama yentwaso na yendi jumano na Ghana for ehun eye ensempano de ehiano na yendi ho enkomo. Now this is very important story a yepesa Ghana for nyina ehun, and if eye NPP eye de eye aban no ho de omo ye in opposition, in some way and some yentumi entoto ase e say a company a from a Brandcom Brandcom demanded $280,000 from a NPP. Tama NPP wo abamu no Ghana for ye dwudwuma no ye chechim no kre no aha ne wo inti atro no ye stopping in the NPP, and they abamu say the NPP as a political party, when they were in power, they contracted a company in Ukraine to basically malign, to tell bad stories, cook fake news about John Dramani Mahama. In fact, they charged the NPP government na Kennedy Japan di enim Mahamud Bawumia vice president Ekufuado ka ho ene Kobere Japan mu nyina wo mu no saa aban no saa company we am Ukraine no omo charge NPP for no $280,000 say omo be gu Mahama ho fin sene be ya abozigi be win elections. Now utietie mu a and their company no they are in Ukraine, they've been waiting for their payment because they really did that. Election 2024, we saw a lot of damning fake news against John Dramani Mahama. In fact, one platform they actually used in Ghana was yen.com. It's another platform that these people and other fake news outlets or fake hackers who create fake news, whenever they want to basically malign politicians or individuals, they always find local news outlets. Into this Brandon guys, they collaborated with yen.com. And yen.com they were also part of that group now. Decided say malign and also gu de atro ebegu John Mahama any NDC dimasi. Until right now, the company is out. They are demanding payment. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia knows about this. Kennedy Japan knows about this. The NPP hierarchy, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Gabi Munyina, they know they contracted this company to destroy John Mahama in 2024. Senebeya, ombe to me echa atra na Ghana for to me enji Mahama ndi. Nanso onyankopon sebio yan wono ewo northeast. Anase southwest no saa onyankopon no eka kire Ghana for say yentie nokure no na nokure no na ebetumi age Ghana. At the end of the day, the company omo contract ya from Brandcom no omo ye bibia etwa atrobia we wiase bia to John Mahama so enso ankwesiaga and they are out and they are demanding for their payment. The NPP, they are trying everything possible to disassociate themselves from this fake news outlet that basically their job is to malign politicians, malign people with integrity. This is the NPP we have been talking about. NPP, this is what we know they do best. Don't underestimate the NPP. They are going to contract another company in Ukraine to start doing that against John Mahama and the NDC. When you see stuff like this, do not think, say, oh, where they see 2024, which I know. The NPP na Bawumia, Kennedy Japan, Kobere Japan, and this is what they are known for. This is what they do. And let me tell you, they are going to activate 10 times of what they did in 2024. And we need to understand, this alone should tell you, say, the NPP as a political party is not a political party. Any right-thinking Ghanaian should look at them or listen to them in any day. Because for a party in power, ya mamu sika biye we wiase, ma boni patuo, ma wiye sika, ma rani economy down. At the end of the day, masako Ukraine, akofa company say, omo meka atro, embedi atro nchire Ghana for, send ebe edi to me besha Bawumia, any NPP for nsem. This company was contracted by Bawumia, Kennedy Japan, and Akufo-Addo. NPP as a political party, omu yi party sika, and omu deko, and omu say omu fanye jumawe. 280,000 amu a part payment. Omu di nkan tuyabi, and a company ni ye jumano. Now the company is demanding the aka. Into busa amu say sika send NPP as a political party and a party in government in 2024. Edema sa company we are the akano companies omu fambe soso. Ask yourself, we are talking about millions of dollars. Now, we are going to shoot this company an email. Yeah, Baba send them an email. We are going to try and get an interview with them. They need to let us know who and who met them to have these negotiations with them because the money has to be paid. So, as we do it here every single day, we follow up. Until we are going to shoot them an email. We are going to ask questions. We are going to send our colleagues in Ukraine to go and find the office of this company if it really exists. Now, I'm Ghana for who say the NPP as a political party is a criminal entity. Ghana for do not underestimate the NPP. This is a very dangerous political party. And say, Krobia is serious, sir. Any sanka yama NPP Krampo a contested in any elections in Ghana. Because at their way, it is damning. It is something that what they did, the NPP as a political party can open our borders for terrorists to come in and destroy this country. And the strategy of the NPP now, and say, ye chi omo na omo hu di omo nka no omo be release a statement to say omo kwa ko sue media houses na publish a story. And the story is legit. No kre. NPP are buying. NPP as a political party, omo contracts our company way, and millions. I cut $280,000 NPP into aye, and a Ukraine for some sika. So let's not joke about these things. Let's not underestimate the NPP. A party that kills, a party that destroys. All that they are doing today, you can see clearly. They don't even care about Ghana. They have still not been able to prove themselves to say, after 7 months in opposition, they are a party that respects the people's opinion. They don't. They're still arrogant. They are still lying. They don't have the intelligence to understand. They say, Ghanaians are not stupid. They still don't understand the way we think. The NPP, omunte yase, omu yase ye Jimmy. MPP for who Ghana for nyina say ye Jimmy to such a mauntumi, ye Jimmy to say abronye, ye Jimmy to say Usu Bempa, Ernesto Usu Bempa. Omu ye say ye Jimmy. They still don't understand the new Ghana that they want to basically lead. And in 2028, their numbers will drop. 86 no more na ebeko for more. We will make sure about 48 pen account parliament. Make good part, the reasonable, intelligent Ghanaians we will come together and nullify the NPP for good. This should tell you as a young Ghanaian, so NPP opportunity BM, they will bring mercenaries. Near to Kroma ne kufu ado mercenaries free South Africa. Time no mo pay to me no. We were in Ghana. Now the Danko kufu and the NPP, they went to South Africa, brought in people who kill, people who murder silently. They from mercenaries. Odu abu besie, no mu kuni pasie, na abu tu abangu. Now the Danko kufu and the NPP opposition. Time na John Mahama power. They went to South Africa to bring such people. Today, they have started dealing with Ukrainians to destroy our democracy. This is a political party we cannot underestimate. We are dangerous. Now, what they want to do is start market, government agencies, creating some sense of instability and insecurity in Ghana. I want to ask a simple question. Then a boku issue now started so seriously in Ghana. Now me just say can't want some. Now me just say solve boku problem no. What actually happened? What actually happened for suddenly a man for boku kunipa? It should tell you something. They are behind all these things. They want to create a sense of insecurity in Ghana. Oh, moto abano, it is all the NPP. They are behind this.